Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be doing a little bit more stuff to my ek4. So we're going to install a boss kit, HKB's boss kit, and our own branded Kode steering wheel on this car. Today, before 9, DPD turned up with a new boss kit. So shout out to Driftworks. Another reason why I went for HKB boss kit is because of the quality. As you can see, the quality, like all the splines, all the it's made in Japan. It's like just a better quality. This is a £15 one I bought to compare, because we don't sell boss kits. 8 years of selling steering wheels, everyone goes, oh, why don't you sell boss kits? To be fair, there's loads of boss kit people out there selling boss kits, companies, and some customers don't really want to pay £81, whatever it is, for a top-notch boss kit. They'd rather pay like under 15 quid for a boss kit like this. As you can see, the quality for a cheaper boss kit, all the casting's not as great as the I'll try to show you compared to this one, HKB, and the cheaper one. Well, you get the idea anyway. So yeah, so that one we're not fitting, we're fitting this one. So on the back of the steering wheel, there's two blanking plates. Pop them off. There's T30 Torx in there, so like take them out, and an airbag comes out, and then you get like obviously a nut. Pull it off. I'll disconnect the airbag. I took all the cowling off to show you guys like more clearer how it fits. So basically, yeah, comes with these little tabs, and it's come on top. See, top. Get focused. Top. So obviously that goes on top. Line it up. There's little like two little like dowels or whatever you call it. So it goes in between there. So slide it on there. We'll make it easier. We'll take this cowling off first. Get your camera. Do you see these dowels? Push it in there like that. Done. And then find a nut. Put it back in. This kit comes with cancellers, like resistors, blankers, whatever you call it. Like these. So these goes into the airbag. I'll get through there. So it's like that. Voila. And this cool cowling goes over it like that, like this. Easy as that. And now the SRS light has come on. At this point I will show you how to reset it. Down here, see that yellow plug on the fuse box? This plug sits in there. There it is. Sits in there. You know you've got the correct one because it's on the fuse box. When you pull it out, it's blank. See it? Blank, nothing there, no connectors. So I already connected some wires together. So basically, this is how you reset it. Right, I've changed the wires because the wires earlier was a bit short. And now, firstly, make sure the ignition is off. Touch the wires together, as you can see. Turn the ignition on. So when the airbag comes on, it should goes off, and then when it's off, take that off again, and then the airbag comes back on, light come on, and then touch it again. When you touch it again, it should flash twice. When the SRS light has been flashed twice, disconnect the wires, and now it's all reset. Right guys, now the airbag light's off. I shall show you. Ignition on, airbag lights on, airbag lights off, as you can see. Let's do it again. Off, ignition on. Look at that. Off. Yes, mate. We're ready to fit the steering wheel. And the steering wheel we're fitting is obviously our own brand. Obviously, without this car, I wouldn't be starting the Kode brand. So let's just say 18 years down the line, is actually having some Kode touches on the car. And now we're putting the steering wheel on. The bolts we'll be using is these are TI style bolts. You can find them on my website. Obviously everything on the car now is going our own brand. So basically line her up. A good quality basket so everything works, like the airbag light goes off, resistors, everything comes with, is compatible basically. So I'm actually proud that this car's is wearing its own brand, because this car has started my business off. And there's the steering wheel, all fitted. And let's show you how it works. Ignition on, SRS light comes on. That's all my stereo, sorry. And it goes off. And the horn works. The HKB boss kit and our own Kode steering wheel is now fitted to my original car that made my business. I forgot to show you the horn, how it's fitted inside, but it's just one wire. So I'll pop this horn out. There's only one wire on the middle horn connector. Obviously it won't work now because it's not made contact. And then yeah, so making contact. So you push it back in. Oh, it's a little spring, you have to be careful of. Oh, that spring there. So that's got to be pushed into there. Yeah. Twist it out to you straight. There you have it. Well guys, so far that was quite easy to install. If you buy a quality boss kit, it basically got everything for you, like horn works easy. If you buy a cheaper one, it's got a lot more work to do. To all you new subscribers that don't really know my past, let's walk around the car, why I kept the car for 18 years in storage, and why I recently had got it out of storage and starting to revamp it really. So let's walk around the car and show you guys what's so important about this ek4. Well, as you all know, it's got the steering wheel fitted today. Last week we put the new gator on because it was split, and with our own Kode carbon gear knob. We do loads of gear knobs. This car back in the days was retrimmed by Carisma. See that the logo's there. If people don't know Carisma, in 2003, well 2000, they were massive. They did a mental Renault 5 with a mental body kit and a TVR and a Porsche. This is all their install. They've done all my my stereo system. I don't even know how it works. Like the Alpine stereo, sorry, flip out, old school. Yes, round the back, 2 TVs. It's got PlayStation on the bottom, and the back is like highly satin, and in the top here they modified my port, like my parcel shelf, sorry, with ports in it and more speakers. Don't forget, this car was done almost 20 years ago. Boot. 3 15-inch stubs. This is all hanging down due to the fact that we still got to change the tailgate. And look at that directed amp. I know I smoked the headlights the other day and all. That's what the back end looks like. Excuse the tailgate, we are changing that, it's coming. Well, hope that you enjoyed the quick walk around of the vehicle. Since I built this car, I thought, yeah, I want to start my own business. So hence, this car was important to me. Well, still is kind of thing really, because it started off my business and people knew me through this car. And then the Kode brand started, and then we started selling yeah, accessories really. Talking about accessories, this steering wheel is on our website, and we're giving a 10% off. The discount code is code ek4. Yeah, so go ahead to my website. This steering wheel will be 10% off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching.